Exercise 6.2, question number 13. 3 watches are purchased at rupees 450 each. It means cost price of each watch is rupees 450. One of them is sold at a loss of 10%. At what price should the other two be sold so as to gain 20% on the whole transaction? Question number 13. CP of one watch is equal to rupees 450. On selling first watch, he got loss of 10%. We can find SP of one watch is equal to, formula is CP into 100 minus loss percent divided with 100. CP is 450, 100 minus 10 by 100. 450 into 90 by 100, zeros cancelled. 45 into 9 is equal to 405. Now 2 watches are left now. Firstly we will find CP of 3 watches. Total 3 watches are there because he wants profit on all watches. So profit of 3 watches will be, CP of 3 watches is equal to 3 into 450, that is equal to rupees 1350. Profit percent on total 20% given. SP we will find for total all watches. CP into 100 plus profit percent divided with 100. CP is 1350, 100 plus 20 by 100. 1350 into 120 by 100, zeros cancelled. 135 into 12, that is equal to rupees 1620. Now we will find SP of 2 watches is equal to, SP of 3 watches is 1620 and SP of first watch we found 405, that is equal to rupees 1215. Now we have to find SP of one watch, that is equal to, divide with 2. This is of 2, we will divide it with 2, that is equal to rupees 607.5 rupees. Question number 14. Tinny sold a plot of land at 20% gain to Wimpy. Wimpy sold it to Dipali at 10% profit. If Dipali had to pay rupees 3,30,000 for the plot, find the CP of the plot for Tinny. Dipali paid rupees 3,30,000. It means this is the cost price of Dipali and cost price of Dipali is equal to selling price of Wimpy because Wimpy sold it to Dipali. We will write firstly CP of Dipali is equal to selling price of Wimpy. Both are equal to rupees 3,30,000 rupees. Now Wimpy got profit of 10%. We can find CP of Wimpy. CP of Wimpy is equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percent. 100 into SP. SP is 3,30,000 divided with 100 plus profit is 10. 100 into 3,30,000 divided with 110. 0 cancelled. 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 33. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3,000 multiply with 100 rupees 3 lakh. It means CP of Wimpy is 3 lakh and CP of Wimpy is equal to selling price of Tinny because Tinny sold this plot to Wimpy. CP of Wimpy is equal to selling price of Tinny. It is equal to rupees 3 lakh. And Tinny got profit of 20%. We can find CP for Tinny. That is equal to same formula 100 into SP 100 plus profit percent. 100 into 3 lakh divide by 100 plus 20. 100 into 3 lakh 120. After solving we will get rupees 2,50,000. It means CP for tinny is 2,50,000 rupees. Question number 15. A furniture seller bought 20 tables for rupees 1,20,000 and sold these at a profit equal to the selling price of 4 tables. Find the SP of 1 table. His profit is equal to the selling price of 4 tables. Bought means CP of 20 tables is given 1,20,000. CP of 20 tables is equal to rupees 1,20,000. We can find CP of 1 table. Divide with 20. That is equal to rupees 6,000. Now we will let the SP of 1 table is equal to rupees X. Then SP of 4 tables is equal to 4x, and SP of 20, total 20 tables na, SP of 20 tables will be 20x. They are saying profit is equal to selling price of 4 tables is equal to selling price of 4 tables. It means profit is equal to 4x. Now profit formula is SP minus CP. Profit is 4x, SP is 20x, and CP is 1,20,000. We will solve it. 16x is equal to 1,20,000. X is equal to 1,20,000 divided with 16 is equal to 7,500. It means SP of 1 table is rupees 7,500.